India has a total road network of about 5.9 million kilometers and transports about 65% of all goods and about 90% of total passenger traffic. But road safety in India has been a great concern. Neglected maintenance of roads and highways, coupled with a widespread lack of traffic discipline, has made India's roads particularly dangerous. The reported number of accidents during year 2019 is 4,49,002, leading to 1,51,113 deaths and 4,51,361 injuries, out of which 35.7% was accounted at national highways. 24% incidents took place at curved roads, bridges, culverts, etc., and 76% took place on straight roads. In 2015, Ministry of Road Transport and Highways had set a protocol for identifying such vulnerable locations and putting higher emphasis on taking measures for rectifications to save precious human life and resources. These locations are known as black spots. Road accident black spot is defined as a stretch of national highway of about 500 meters in length, in which either 5 road accidents, that is, in all 3 years put together involving fatalities or grievous injuries, took place during the last 3 calendar years, or 10 fatalities in all 3 years put together took place during the last 3 calendar years. Identification and rectification of the black spots is a continuous process. Black spots get created on the road network due to various reasons like commissions and omissions in the development projects, changes in the roadside environment, changes in developmental framework in the region, unplanned developments or unauthorized constructions on or near the roads like advertisement boards, poles, statues, buildings, trees, bushes, etc. and indisciplined driving on developed roads.
कि अब रोड में बहुत किलोमीटर हम रोज बना रहे हैं, तो मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि एक बार रोड कितने किलोमीटर ज़्यादा बनते हैं उससे भी ज़्यादा माय टारगेट इज मैं 5 साल के अंदर 50% लोगों की जान बचाना चाहता हूँ.
MoRTH takes various measures for the rectification of black spots and has made it mandatory to carry out all stage road safety audits for all national highways. In the spirit of intellectual cooperation, scholarly exchange and the development of partnership, MoRTH and IRC have entered into MOUs with 11 leading organizations with an agreement to initiate 15 days curriculum or course for training of road safety and safety audit for benefit of highway engineers or road departments throughout the country. These institutions have conducted 8 training courses and trained 300 engineers as safety auditors and have planned to train further 75 engineers in March-April 2021. Vehicular, pedestrian, animal underpass, grade separators, flyovers, service roads, footpath, crash barriers, junction improvements, provision of rumble strips or bar markings at the approaches of the major junctions on national highways, speed limit signs at desired locations of national highways network, speed breakers and associated signages on side roads, amber beacons for traffic approaching a junction or mid-block median opening of national highways, installation of crash barriers on high embankments, hilly terrains, encouraging engineers for certificate course in road safety audit, and developing a black spot MIS portal, which will have details of all black spots, IDs, photographs, rectification status and post-rectification feedback shall be collected and monitored. Transport Research Wing of MoRTH has been assigned the responsibility of receiving and collecting the data on road accidents from various states, filter it and provide it to the Road Safety Engineering Cell of MoRTH for further action of accident cause study and taking appropriate engineering measures through its various executing agencies such as NHAI, PWD NH Wings and NHIDCL. So far, TRW has furnished the accident or fatality data in 2 slots, that is, for the years 2011-2014 and 2015-2018, based on the same action on 5,785 identified black spots started. So far, 74% of these black spots are attended, 2,259 with permanent measures and 2,006 with temporary measures. All these black spots are targeted for permanent rectification by September 2021. The data indicates that rectification of all the identified black spots with perfection may reduce only 17,000 fatalities. That is about 11 to 12% only. The design of vehicles is also an important factor in road safety. This helps in protecting occupants and other road users. The regulations on crash, airbags and safety belt alert have helped in improving occupant protection and pedestrian safety. Vehicle design takes into account the possibility of frontal and lateral impact on the vehicle. The airbag is now mandatory for the driver, and a draft notification to mandate the airbag for the co-driver has been released. Transport vehicles have been mandated to be equipped with a speed governor to a speed limiting device or a speed limiting function. This limits the speed of most transport vehicles to 80 km per hour and of school buses to 60 km per hour. Passenger cars have been equipped with a speed alert system as an additional safety feature. This implies that in case the vehicles exceed the speed limit, an audio signal is released. To improve the braking efficiency, the anti-lock braking system has been made mandatory. This alone will not be sufficient to substantially reduce the accidents and fatalities. To achieve this, it is imperative to change the current behavioral attitude towards driving. Take care of the health of both drivers and their vehicles. Discourage long hour and overtime driving in addition to lane discipline, removal of obstacles and encroachments from the driving paths and more. In order to have a nationwide impact, similar above actions are required to be taken by state governments for roads under their jurisdictions. The continuous identifications and solving of such issues will make Indian roads and vehicles safer for all. We have embarked on our mission for injury-free driving in India, and with the right set of actions and support, we will be able to accomplish that mission.